Hey everyone, it's Pam, and I'm here to walk you through some of the cool stuff we have now in Canva. Where are things? I bet a lot of people are like, well, where's this and where's that? I'm going to be able to work through all that with you guys. Maybe not all on this video, but I'm going to be posting videos almost every day, I think, because there's a lot going on. But don't get overwhelmed. Don't get like, oh no, don't do that. They really thought through some things here. Canva is really making this work for businesses. Okay. So I really do feel like a lot of what they did is going to help us. So I want to show you a sidebar here over here. How I got to it was I just clicked on the templates icon on the left hand side and it brought me to this page. Now, templates, we've always had templates. So, but this whole page is really wonderful. So I'm going to walk through that in a second. Then we have these work kits, and these are what's up here. So there's work kits for marketing, work kits for sales, work kits for human resources, and work kits for creative. That was basically all what Canva Create showed us yesterday of each one of these resources, how they can help. All right, so we're going to go through each one. I'm going to probably do a video for each one of these. But right now, I'm just going to walk you through some things. And so we got the work kits, okay? And then if you keep, I'm just going to show the template page and then we're going to work through the other things. Up here, you have recommended presentation, social media, print, and more. So this is basically what used to be on the front page. Now it's right here in templates, but I'm really liking inspired by your last design. So they have some things here that they kind of look at what you've already done, and that's cool. Then they put some things in you may like. So these are good starting places for you, okay? Now the whiteboard. If you have a business, you can basically outline your whole plan, your content, everything right here. There's a project roadmap right here. Oh my goodness. There's already templates made up. You do not need to think of a new whiteboard or anything. Here's a social content calendar that this is pretty awesome. I'll have to look at that one. And these are made by Canva Creative Studios. So but there's all kinds. You can do a like course, set up your course ideas, set up your brainstorming, whatever. So um whiteboards and then videos. They have, oh my gosh, so many videos. And the updates that they did on them, oh, love them. You can not adjust, but you can fix your audio. You can have highlights of your videos. And yeah, don't worry, I'm going to be doing videos on those. All right. And then Facebook posts, flyers, craft creators that you follow. So anytime that I like some template really a lot, I will star them. And then it looks like now they're going to come up here. New in Canva. So these are new things. That's always nice to look at. This nice little about page. Here's some videos. And, if you're doing videos for social media, why not use templates like this? It makes it so easy. So check out the templates, okay? And then trending near you, okay? And then featured collections. They have trendy business toolkit, Facebook cover upgrade, trendy travel template. So that I like that. And then album covers. Okay, so there's the templates. It's your starting point. Okay, and then we talked about the work kits, and I'm going to be covering each one of them. Now look at this. You click on photos. and it takes you to a cool thing now. And look at this. You can come up here and you can go background photos. Nice. Okay. And even if, you just, if you like something and you're just like going through, but you like, um, I'm just going to find a couple that I like so I can show you guys. So I like this. I'm going to star that. Let's see here. Let me grab one more that I can see myself using. Um, okay, that's a nice little background. Oh, I like this too. Okay, so there, I got some things starred. I'll show you about this in a second. Let's go back to photos. Let's see here. And then you got summer. Okay, all right. I like this. I like how we could just look at them right here instead of really tiny in the menu. Oh, I like this a lot. I like this a lot. Okay, and then icons. Look at this, guys. Did you even know that Canva had a majority of this? These are really cool for sales pages, even social media, just to put on images. These are really cool. And they also have categories that you can look at. Okay, I like these. Yeah, all right. Okay. Now, creators you follow. So they had something similar to this the last time. So, um, this is really cool. It just, allows you to look at the creators that you follow. And truly, if you like some of a creator, then follow them. And here, there's some ones here that they Canva think that I might like. So let's go in here. I like her. And okay, so I just followed a couple now. Let's go to starred content. And remember that I just starred a couple things, right? So let's see here. I'm going to put it back to the pictures. I like it like this. So here is the starred items that I just started a couple minutes or seconds ago. And these are things that I've starred throughout. So start is just basically, hey, I like that. I want to use it. So yeah. Okay. We'll go back here and make sure that we covered everything right here. Okay. So tomorrow I'm probably going to go through the marketing and sales. And then for my Clubhouse members, I'm going to be doing, really more in-depth videos for you guys. So look for those. Let's see here. I'm really liking these things. I like how they do this. You know what? I'm going to go ahead and just go over these. No, I'm going to wait because shorter videos, people tend to watch more. So I'm going to stop right here. And then tomorrow I'll do marketing, and then the next day. So I got you. I can take a couple minutes out of my time to showcase these things. And then I have a lot of videos that I'm going to be doing, and I am super excited. This kind of stuff makes me happy. All right, guys. Hopefully you're loving the new update, and let me know what you love so far. Okay. Bye.